Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video we will talk about the hostel mess menu of BIT Shindri. Okay, so be with me till the end. Just a reminder, I have a complete playlist on my channel covering all the aspects of BIT Shindri. So do visit that and give your review. Okay. Then coming to this video, away from mom's kitchen. Okay, in hostel you are away from your mom's kitchen. Here you are supposed to survive with the mess food for these 4 years of your stay in the premises, except a few cheat days. Like there are restaurants like Kutum and Food Plaza are the two popular restaurants nearby. So except for few cheat days in Kutum and Plaza, you have to survive with the mess food here. Okay, talking about the quality of food, the quality of the food offered by the mess in BIT is very appreciable. They provide you a good food, you will have a good taste. Okay, not like any buffet or something, but yeah, they provide you very good food which you can eat and have a proper nutrients, and food here is appreciably good. You will have a you will not have to bother about the food and all in BIT Shindri mess. The mess is completely good. That's my personal experience. Okay, I am telling you that. Okay, then moving ahead, talking about the details, you will get 4 times food in BIT hostel. Okay, in mess is some 4 times. Like the timing for each one is different. Like for breakfast it is 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Generally classes begin at 9 a.m. Okay, for lunch it is from 12 noon to 2 p.m. For lunch you will get a break between first and second half of your classes. Then for evening snacks or tea, it is from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Snacks are exclusively served for first year students. Okay, and for dinner timing it is from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Every one of you is availing hostel's benefit must avail our meal within the time. Okay, because otherwise this will burden on the mess worker. A mess worker are very, very friendly. At the end they will be more as a family. Okay, you will realize it later. Okay, this was the timing about the food served in BIT. Then talking about the non-veg part, you will get non-veg 4 days in a week. That is basically on Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Okay, so that's a great news for non-veg lover. Hooray. Then coming to the menu, from here I will cover the menu in detail. First about the breakfast. In breakfast, someday there is a wide diversity in the breakfast. Someday you get aloo paratha with ketchup, another day like pav bhaji, then sandwich, then paratha with matar sabji, idli sambar, halwa and something like all things. Breakfast has a very diversity. Okay, but if you are coming from, if you are health conscious or something that you don't want to eat so much oily food in your breakfast daily, so you can normally ask for bread and jam. They will provide you as a alternate for all this. Okay, then moving toward the lunch, as I've already mentioned the timing there. I have divided the, like on the weekly, on the everyday I have told you, like these are the approximate guess which they provide. There may be some changes. Okay, these foods were what I was getting when I was in my hostels. Okay, on Monday you have rice, fish curry, malai kofta, gulab jamun and aloo bhujia. Okay, on Tuesday you have rice, dal, bhujia with some crispy item. Great. Then on Wednesday you have rice, chicken, curry, malai kofta, aloo bhujia. Okay, on Thursday you will have rice, dal, bhujia with some crispy item. Okay, clear till Thursday. Then on Friday you will get rice, double boiled egg curry, aloo sabji, gulab jamun. On Saturday it may be khichdi or chawal dal or some regular things like that. Okay, basically on Saturday they try to provide you khichdi. There will be khichdi and there will have a papad, then you will chokha and the pickles. Okay, then and coming to the Sunday, that is on Sunday all you will get chicken biryani for non-vegetarians and veg biryani for vegetarians with gulab jamun. Okay, and I already told, and for vegetarians on Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Sunday there will be paneer sabji, chawal and sweet in the lunch. Okay, as an compensate for you all, for the non-veg parts they will provide you sweets. Then moving towards the snacks, you have, like here also you have a wide range of diversity ranging from tea. For all tea lovers, here is a good news. Tea will be served daily and you can have as many tea you want. Okay, they will in snacks you can have tea plus biscuits, then tea poha, they keep tea samosa, tea cutlet, sometimes they get tea plus chowmin, then tea plus bread pakoda, tea plus kachori, tea plus chaat, tea plus pakoda and all such snacks. Okay, light snacks only they will give. Then in dinner, someday it will be like paratha matar sabji, then someday it will be like roti bhujia and halwa, the next day it can be puri kheer, kavli chana sabji, then it can be litti chokha with sweets, then we can have chole bhature and all such things. Okay, So mess here is very great. You don't have to bother about anything. You will have a good time here. And talking about the mess fee is rupees 3000 per month. So the mess charges for mess are 3000 per month. It is same for everyone. Okay, you have to pay a 3000 monthly fee for your mess menu, and mess here is Beatty Scenery is very good. That's my personal experience. You will have a good time here. So this was all about the mess menu and all the details of Beatty Scenery mess. For liking my job, please do subscribe the channel, do like and share this video with your family, with your friends, whoever need this. Do support us, because if you will support me, then only I will have a morale to make more and more videos. As you can see, each video takes a lot of time. Okay, so as a token of love also for your support, guys, do subscribe the channel and support me.